Well, good morning to everybody. I'm in Minnesota today. My buddy Cole, so shout out to Cole. You've seen him on the channel many times. Was checking one of my fields and said there's about 70 in it, and it's green field. That's what I'm hunting today. Got a decent little spread going on, probably four and a half, maybe 5 dozen. Driveway's right there. Standing corn. Got the puppy with me who's whining, but just got set up and a little bit foggy out, hardly any wind. I like to set up besides there's a power line right there. Sometimes that'll screw with them, but hopefully it doesn't, and shoot my 5 and get out of here. So Tanner Damon, by the way, was supposed to be here, but he didn't wake up, so get on him in the comments. Alright, stay tuned. Well, I don't even know if I got the camera on, but basically, 2 were apparently already landed in my decoys. I was watching the old Broken Wings new video shooting them out of the camper, goose hunting. And apparently there's 2 of my decoys. Heard a honk, here comes like 4 or 5. By the time I got all the cameras on, should have shot. Start shooting, dropped 1, hit another one pretty hard. He might have went in the pond. But then they flew over, or 1 came back around, missed him. Thought I nicked him. I might have, but he took off. Then kept calling. Flock came over again. Hit 2. 1 sailed down. Blue just found it. And we were way over past that power line pole. So that was pretty good. So stay tuned. Hopefully I can actually see him come in next time. But Other than that, I've heard one honk and it's been pretty slow, but we got two now, so stay tuned. Alright, so now pick up the one that's dead in the decoys. You guys would have seen by now, but I really hope I got that on my head GoPro too, because I don't know if they stayed on frame for the other GoPro, but like I said, you guys will know. But let's watch the dog get this one. Blue! That bird! That bird! That bird! That bird! Hey! That bird! Where the heck even is it? Oh, I see it. That bird! Hey! That bird! Oh, he smelt it. Good boy! Alright, come on. Come on, let's go. Well, 2 down. Probably should have 3 or 4, but oh well. So stay tuned. Well, I just got back in, pretty much settled down from picking up the 2 I got, and another 2-pack kind of came by, but I don't know, they didn't come in, so hopefully there's more to come. Well, I do not know what's going on. I mean, I could have smoked the 2 right here. They're like 12, 15 yards, but I wanted to get on both cameras and shot the farther one, which is not that far. Thought I hit him, so I dropped the other one, shoot the other one again, and again, he flies away. So I don't know if he went down somewhere or what, but I don't know. I switched over to BBs last 2-3 days, and I don't know, I've always been a BB guy until this year. I tried 2s because of the early season of Nodak, and I just kept shooting them here, and I don't know, ever since I switched, hasn't been as good, so I don't know what's going on, but hopefully 2 more come in because I need 2 more, so stay tuned. Me and Blue are looking for the 2 now that I thought I hit. See if they went down over here at all. I know I hit that last one in the 2-pack, but not sure about that first one. He's acting birdie in there, but he's also being a goofball, so who knows. Find him. Maybe not. There's one down over here. That back one is the one I hit. Dang. Blue, come! Well, one of those two was definitely one of the ones I hit, but I did see a dead one over there, so I did hit them both like I thought. One's dead, that one just flew away. So that sucks, but at least we got one more. Gotta go get him still, he's on the other side, but these geese are tough. There's been a ton of migrators moving around in the last 5-ish days, and there's some big birds in the area, so I don't know if that's what's going on or what, but come on. Some of these things are just not coming down. But stay tuned, I'm gonna go pick this one up. That one is over here, so see if the dog can find it. I can see it, but Blue, dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. Hey, dead bird. He's upwind, that's the problem. Blue, Blue, dead bird. Oh, you just can't smell it. Blue. I'm gonna take him downwind. Oh, there we go. Good boy. Come on. Come on, let's go. Well, wasn't very pretty at all, and I wasted a lot of ammo, but we are at 4, so we need one more, so stay tuned. Good boy. Hey, no. Well, just got back to the blind, so basically, I knew I'd hit 2. I've had a 2-pack come in and land, and then the 5 or whatever joined it, and I didn't know the 2 were my decoys. And I got one, and I knew I hit another one. Then they flew back over, I got another one. That sail, we went and got it. And then nothing, and then a 2-pack came in. And the first one I shot at, I knew I hit, and then dropped second on my second shot. Then I shot the third, or the second one was my third shot, and then my fourth. And I knew I hit on my first shot before I even shot the other goose. So like, you know what, let's go look. So go over there, found the dead one right away, but I didn't pick it up yet because it was on the other side of the pond. Well, I get to the bigger part of the pond, well, there's a goose sitting there honking, so I naturally think it's the one. Well, gets up, I shoot at it once, well then the back one gets up that I had no idea was there, and there's a little bit of blood on his leg, or on his, like, above his leg, and then his leg was hanging. Shot at him twice. Yeah, he flew away just fine apparently. He's not gonna die because he's been there for well over 40 minutes, so I don't know, these things are on steroids or something, but I'm at 4, need one more. Hopefully it ain't a flock. I prefer just to shoot at a single, and let's hope I can kill it because it's been a rough morning, but stay tuned, hopefully one more will be coming. Supposedly Cole said there's about 70 in here, and I've probably seen about, if the 2-packs were different, maybe 10. So apparently there should be about 60 birds missing, so stay tuned. Ah! Find a bird. Find a bird. Find a bird. Last bird of my limit. Find a bird. What do you got? Come here. Come on, Blue. Come on, Blue. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Well, that is a wrap. Forgot to show you guys, this one has a 100% pure white unibrow. I've only ever shot one that's had that distinguished of a unibrow one other time. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So when we look at it, pretty sweet. But yeah, this is the spread. Got about 4.5 dozen full bodies out, GHGs, hey, Bigfoots, and northern flights. Wind was supposed to be coming out of that way, which is northwest. Kind of turned almost straight west by the end of the morning, and they kind of been coming from over here into the spread. But and they've all finished out a ways, but we got her done. So what do you think, Bluey? So yeah, if you like the video, like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Also, this is the hide, right in the corn, across the driveway, baby. Pretty hard brush job this morning I had. But anyway, see you next time. Hit the subscribe button and the like button.